One camera, one lens, every focal length from wide angle to a subject so far away you can read the expression on its face. Bridge cameras are the most versatile all-in-one photography tools ever made. And in 2026, the range spans from a budget 60 times zoom at under $300 all the way to a 1-inch sensor premium machine that shoots at 24 frames per second. 5 picks for 5 different types of bridge camera buyers. Links in the description. Let's get into it. The Sony RX10 IV remains the benchmark for bridge camera image quality, and it still holds that title in 2026. The 1-inch type CMOS sensor is the key differentiator, where every other bridge camera on this list uses a 1/2.3-inch sensor. The RX10 IV's larger sensor delivers dramatically better dynamic range, low light performance, and tonal detail. The Zeiss Vario Sonar T-Star 24-600mm at f2.4-4 lens maintains a fast maximum aperture across the zoom range, meaning more light hitting that larger sensor, producing cleaner images in challenging conditions. Phase detection autofocus with 315 points delivers rapid, accurate subject acquisition at up to 24 frames per second. 4K video, built-in ND filters, XGA-OLED viewfinder, and a tilting touchscreen complete a package that has never been surpassed in the bridge camera category. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. Subscribe to TechBeat, the best camera and photography gear every single day. The Sony RX10 III is the most accessible entry point for the RX10 lineup's 1-inch sensor advantage, and for most buyers it covers everything the RX10 IV does at a lower price. The same 1-inch type CMOS sensor at 20 megapixels, the same Zeiss Vario Sonar T-Star lens, but covering 24-600mm with a maximum aperture of f2.4-4, and shooting at up to 14 frames per second rather than the RX10 IV's 24 frames per second. The Bionz X processor delivers excellent in-camera JPEG quality and smooth 4K video at up to 100 megabits per second. Built-in 3-stop ND filter, fast hybrid autofocus, and S-Log2 gamma curve for video grading. The tilting 3-inch touchscreen and OLED viewfinder are present. For the buyer who wants the real 1-inch sensor bridge camera experience and premium Sony glass without paying RX10 IV premium pricing, the RX10 III is the logical step and still one of the finest bridge cameras ever made. That is link 2 in the description. Tap it now. The Panasonic Lumix FZ2500 is the video-focused bridge camera that video creators and content makers reach for when they want a 1-inch sensor bridge camera at a more competitive price than Sony. The 1-inch type sensor at 20 megapixels pairs with a Leica DC Vario Elmarit 24-480mm f2.8-4 lens. A constant f2.8 at wide angle is a genuine advantage for low-light video work. 4K video at up to 100 megabits per second with Cinelec D color profile for grading, Vlog L Gamma for a flat picture profile, and both a microphone input and headphone output. Professional audio monitoring built in. A high-resolution EVF, articulating touchscreen, and optical image stabilization round out the video package. The FZ2500 shoots up to 12 frames per second for stills. The lens's maximum aperture narrows at the long end. The 480mm f4 reach is less impressive than Sony's 600mm, but the video capabilities and audio connectivity genuinely compete with cameras in a higher tier. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it now. The Nikon Coolpix P1 is the camera for one type of buyer specifically. Anyone who wants the longest optical zoom available in any camera, period. 3000mm of equivalent focal length. That is 125 times optical zoom, extended further to 250 times via dynamic fine zoom. Birds in distant trees, aircraft in flight, wildlife across a field. Subjects that no other camera on this list can reach. The 1/2.3-inch 16-megapixel sensor is modest, and image quality at those extreme focal lengths demands careful shooting technique and good light. A robust 5-axis vibration reduction system makes handheld shooting at extended zoom ranges more viable than on previous P-series models. Raw capture, 4K video, a tilting LCD, and an electronic viewfinder are all included, at 1.41 kilograms. It is the heaviest camera on this list. The P1 is not a general-purpose camera. It is the specialist tool for extreme long-range subjects, and nothing else available on Amazon matches its reach. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. The Panasonic Lumix FZ82D is the most accessible and most practical everyday bridge camera on this list. The right starting point for any photographer who wants a versatile all-in-one zoom without spending much. A 60 times optical zoom covers 20 to 1,200 millimeters, giving you everything from a 20 millimeter ultra-wide landscape angle to a telephoto reach that handles wildlife, sport, and travel subjects comfortably. The 18 megapixel 1 over 2.3 inch sensor handles daylight and well-lit indoor shooting dependably. 4K video with post-focus functionality allows you to select the focus point after the shot has been taken. A 1166 K-dot electronic viewfinder, 3-inch tilting touchscreen, 5-axis OLED image stabilization, and RAW shooting are all present at this price. That is link 5 in the description, the last one. Tap it now. Subscribe to TechBeat right now. We cover the best cameras and photography gear every single day, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. The best bridge camera image quality with the Sony RX10 IV. The same 1-inch sensor at a more accessible price with the RX10 III. The best video-focused bridge camera with the Panasonic FZ2500. The longest zoom reach of any camera available with the Nikon P1100. And the most accessible everyday all-in-one with the Panasonic FZ8 2D. All 5 links are in the description. I will catch you in the next one.